1. 1906 Cadillac DeVille Coupe. A classic 1976 Cadillac DeVille, running great and equipped with AC. Originally a project car, but the owner lost interest, leaving it parked in the garage. Clean title, no major issues, priced at $7,000 or best offer. A 1973 Chevrolet Nova in very good condition, though currently missing its fuel tank due to a pinhole leak. It runs and drives but needs a battery. Clean title in the seller's name. Firm price at $6,500, no trades or holds. A mechanically sound 1966 Ford Mustang that can be driven as is or restored along the way. Transmission shifts smoothly and the engine runs strong. The car is used regularly with new tires installed. Clean title priced at $8,500 or best offer. A clean, rust-free 1971 Plymouth Valiant with a 225 slant 6 engine. Runs and drives, making it a great project or daily driver. The original interior is worn but intact. Recent updates include new tires and rear suspension. No trades, asking $7,500. A 1973 Buick Century Grand Sport with a 350 4-barrel carb and dual exhaust. All original, with rust on the lower doors and quarters. Turnkey ready but offered for trade only, interested in Jeeps, lifted trucks, lowriders, or muscle cars. A running and driving 1967 Chrysler Newport with a rebuilt 400 big block engine, less than 500 miles. Recent updates include new brakes, tires, front shocks, gas tank, and a Bluetooth radio. Comes with a new but uninstalled headliner. Open to trades. A well-preserved 1979 Ford Ranchero GT, originally from California with only 39,000 miles. Features a 351M engine, power steering and brakes, manual windows, power locks, and AC. A great summer cruiser, priced at $9,995 or best offer. A collectible 1970 Cadillac El Dorado with only 30,000 miles. Features a powerful V8 engine and classic Cadillac luxury. Runs and drives but needs some restoration. a rare find with great potential, priced at $6,500. A true classic 1963 Chrysler Imperial in good condition for its age. The odometer reads 110,000 original miles, clean title, well-maintained, and priced at $6,500. A 1965 Ford Thunderbird recently upgraded with an EFI swap and new wheels and tires. Runs great and is available for trade for another classic two-door vehicle, priced at $9,000. A mostly original 1968 Dodge Coronet with a 318 engine and an automatic transmission. Needs trunk pan, rear frame rails, and lower quarter repairs, but has not been modified. Fuel tank leaks, but the car runs on an external jug. Priced at $6,500 or best offer.